Hi guys, good evening and welcome back again to another video episode of my coin collection videos. And for those who are new to my channel, please feel free to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you'll be updated on my latest video. And stay tuned guys until the end of this video because I will have a mega big shout out to all my friends in the YouTube community. So in this video guys, I just want to share to you my new S20 Samsung Galaxy Ultra 5G, which just arrived this afternoon. Actually, I am due for an upgrade on my phone, so I was very happy that I got this phone this afternoon being delivered to my house. So stay tuned guys. Okay guys, so I just want to share to you this my new phone. So I guess you've seen on my thumbnail about my new Samsung S20 Galaxy Ultra. Contains silver and gold. So I will discuss to you guys about the contents of the smartphone, you know, the that contains elements and precious metals. So look at that. So it's very nice. So look at the camera guys. So I'm not actually doing a review of this phone because I don't, to be honest, I don't really know yet the specifications of this new phone. So I still need to have a look into it. So before I'll turn this on guys, I just want to discuss to you about the contents of silver and gold in the smartphone. So couple of days ago when I ordered this phone guys, so I was actually reading an article in Google about smartphones actually are using silver and gold in making smartphones. So in the article that I've read, actually it actually takes about 7 kilograms of high-grade gold ore to make at least 36 milligrams of gold just in one smartphone guys. So imagine how many gold that they are using, or how many tons of silver that they are using in each mobile phone. And apparently the amount of silver in the smartphone is around 90 milligrams of silver, and there are also other elements such as iron, silicon, chromium, cobalt, and tungsten, and some trace elements of platinum, palladium. I'm not gonna tell you exactly how many milligrams of in each elements guys, but because I'm focusing more on the silver and gold here in the contents of the smartphone. So one of the articles that I've read in Google guys, they've done a research in the University of Plymouth, and this is actually in the United Kingdom. They've conducted an experiment. This is quite an interesting way of doing an experiment, because what happened was they actually put the used smartphones into a blender. So I don't know how true it is, but they put it on a blender, and then they mix it almost about 500 degrees centigrade and they mix it with a powerful oxidizer. They were using sodium peroxide to oxidize it, and they were surprised as to what are the different elements that they found in each of the mobile phones. So that's why they found out that there was about 90 milligrams of silver and 36 milligrams of gold in each smartphone. So imagine how many people around the world are using smartphone nowadays. So it's, I think it's about let's say about 2 billion people nowadays are using smartphones, and in each they normally upgrade their phone every 1 to 2 years. So can you imagine, guys, how many phones around the world use phones, and it contains precious metals in it. So yeah, we're just using the phone just to take photo, just to do a video, but we don't really know exactly what's the content of it. So that's why they're using this silver, guys, because silver is actually good for electrical and thermal conductivity that they put into the circuit board inside this smartphone, and so with the gold. So and also the battery of this one. So the smartphones nowadays are powered by a lithium ion batteries, and the lithium are actually extracted from salt lakes. So and much of it are they found in the so-called lithium triangle, and these are the countries that includes Bolivia, Chile, and Argentina. And do you know where they can get a large amount of silver, guys? So most of the silver around the world are actually found in Mexico. So the Mexico is one of the largest, biggest country that supplies silver around the world. And what about gold? So actually gold has been produced much in China. So other countries also produce gold, such as Australia, America, but China is one of the big countries that is producing gold at the moment. So talking about the lithium battery, iron battery that's being used in smartphone, guys, is that together with the lithium comes with the cobalt in the battery, because the lithium component of the battery will not work without cobalt. So cobalt is being used also, and the words cobalt, most of the cobalt has been found in the Democratic Republic of Congo. So and as what I've said, cobalt is essential for the lithium ion batteries, but there are also a lot of ethical considerations regarding cobalt. There is actually a link between cobalt mining and child labor in the countries in Central Africa, especially in Congo. So the region is actually very known to child labor and political corruptions and lots of conflict, guys. I don't know whether you've seen the movie from I can't remember that movie, but one of the movies that I've seen actually in I think that was Leonardo DiCaprio. I think I cannot remember the title of it, but that was Shoot and Congo regarding this conflict. But yeah, so child labor is very rampant in Congo about this one, and then the work there in the mining, guys, are very hazardous and can have health implications, from lung conditions to breathing issues, mainly caused by the dust from the cobalt, causing premature birth defects and premature births, mostly in the families, among the miners. So there you go, guys. So those are mainly the ethical considerations. So we're just actually using the phone, and we don't exactly know what's the the content of the phone, and where does this being source. So yeah, and then we can just upgrade it every 1 to 2 years, and we don't really know exactly what's been happening there in Congo. So I don't know how to turn this on, guys, so I'll turn it on after. Doesn't turn on yet. So yeah, so as what I've said, I'll have a big shout out to all my loyal friends here, especially Idol Bossing Money Collector. Big shout out to you, Idol, and Coins TV. Congratulations on your channel that is being monetized now. And OFW Coin Collector, big shout out to you, Idol. And then today's Cherry, she's also a coin collector, and she's just recently being monetized now. So congratulations to you, sister Cherry. And then Shirley Bato, she is also a coin collector. Big shout out to you, Nai. And then RR Gamer, Retro Gamer, big shout out to you. And also Greg Alfero, he's just new to the channel. Big shout out to you, sir. He's also a coin collector. And Sister Gobi Ronquillo, big shout out to you, sis. And my friend from Germany, Spain, and Russia, Sis Brita, and the Claire Farm, and who else there? Travelness in Spain, and Ola from Russia. And then big shout out to you, Sister Patricia Lee from Japan. So there you go, guys. So I'm not gonna make this video longer. Just feel free to comment down below about your thoughts about the worldwide usage of smartphones now, and the impact of the miners in in the unfortunate country in Congo and other countries, guys. So see you next time, guys, and thank you so much for your support, and thank you guys for watching this video, and see you guys, and good night.